Look at the fire truck, big and red. A shiny blue siren on its head, flashing the lights, spinning around. The coolest fire truck in the town. Push the big horn, beep, beep, beep. Waking up the puppies from their sleep, from their sleep. Rolling down the street, zoom, zoom, zoom. Make a little, spake a little room. Go, go, fire truck, you are so fast, saving the day, having a blast. Brave little helpers, me and you, with the little doggy barking. Woof, woof, woo, woo. Oh no, look up, a kitten in the tree. Don't you worry, kitty, we will set you free. Up goes the ladder, reaching for the sky. 1, 2, 3, climbing up so high. In the yellow basket, hop right in. Look at the puppy with a giant grin. Down to the grass, safe and sound. The happiest little kitty on the ground. Hold the big hose, spray it in the air. Shiny water drops flying everywhere. Look at the rainbow, colorful and bright. Licking on a lollipop, what a happy sight. Headlights shining, yellow and bright. Save the day, everything is right. Press the green button, ready to go. The bravest little team that you will ever know. Wave bye-bye to the big red truck. See you next time, and good luck. We did it, hooray! Now it's time to play. Bye-bye.